What is up, guys? Done at this site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use LinkedIn for your next events. So first, you need to head over to your LinkedIn profile, and then you just simply need to log in with your LinkedIn credential. After that, you just simply need to click on Homes. After clicking on Homes on the left side at the bottom, you need to click on Events. After clicking on Events here, you will see the option to create an event here on the right side at the top. Click on this to create your new event. So first you need to choose the event type. If the event is online, choose online. If the event is in person, choose in person. And after that, you need to enter the event name. After entering the event name, you need to enter the time zone. After entering the time zone, here you need to enter the start date, the start time, the end date, the end time. And after that, you need to add an external event link if you have any, or you simply need to just create one. After that, you can also add the description of the event if you want to, and you need to go to search for the speakers. And when you are done, simply click on next and confirm. And after that, your new event will be created. So this is how you can create a new event, or you can create events for your next webinar in LinkedIn. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.